Alright, I love music just like the next person, but I'm only here for the end result. I'm only here to enjoy it on the radio just like you. But the real question is how it's made. So today, my intention is to become a super producer and make the best beat you've ever heard in your life. What up, people? It's your boy, What's Good, and welcome to episode 2 of I Am Not. This week, I try to become a producer, and that is why I've called upon my friends, 2 super producers. You know their music from Ariana Grande to Chris Brown to Justin Bieber, Social House, Black Eyed Peas, and many, many more. They have nothing but #1 hits. So I'd like to introduce you to TB Hits and Mr. Franks.
So today we're going to be putting Wes to the test. We're going to teach him how to make a beat in under 3 hours.
We're gonna teach him sound selection. We're gonna teach him how to play chords, and then we're gonna teach him how to mix. I'm pretty sure he knows how to do this stuff already.
I mean, we know Wes for, I couldn't even tell you how long.
It's
so
been
long.
Too long.
Too long, way too long.
The first thing that we're gonna go over today is sound selection.
You want to compete with all of the other artists are on the radio and other producers in the game, you have to have A1 sounds.
And an A1 ear. It takes a little bit to acquire that, but we're gonna start teaching you that today.
So a producer is technically like kind of like, I mean, in the music world, is it orchestrator of everything together?
Or facilitator function.
Facilitator of the function.
I'll bring that back. Let's go. Know how much money you can make in 3 hours if you learn this?
Apparently a lot, because I saw the Lamborghini. Alright guys, so I'm linking with these super producers not just for me, but for anybody that wants to be a producer out there in the world. So there's a series of sounds and programs that we, yes, I'm talking about you and I, need to know. Logic. There's also plugins that come with this, so we're talking Cthulhu, Splice, Arcade, and Hooked. Without further ado, let's get into it. I am not a music producer. Alright guys, the moment of truth. It's time to take everything that I learned, which was a lot of information, and I'm going to try and make a beat. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out what the tempo is. Fellas, I want to make a trap beat. From what you told me, my tempo needs to be a lot higher, so I'm thinking anywhere between 150 and 180.
I would say go crazy and just try 180.
I'm in Logic right now. Can I type in 180?
Yeah.
Boom.
What's the next step, Wes?
Come on, bro. You got this.
Alright, so the next part is I'm gonna add the hi-hats in here. I'm going to Splice. I'm going to look for a hi-hat. And I'm not exactly sure what a hi-hat is. Let's figure that out together. Hi-hat is also not H-I-G-H. It's hi and then hat as one word. I've typed it wrong several times. No. Oh, this sounds like the beginning of like Shaft or something. How's this?
No, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, that's hard.
This is one? I like that. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is I need to find some chords, correct?
Yeah.
And we find the chords by going through Cthulhu.
I think that would work good for you. That sounds hard.
Yeah? Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off Cthulhu and try to find the key that I'm in. Alright, I remember this was A, B, C, D, E, F. Is that it?
Yeah.
G?
G what?
G major. No, G minor.
There you go.
Because it's sad.
Now we can go get something cool in arcade because
Oh,
we
yeah.
know that we're in G minor.
Okay, I like this one.
Okay.
We went through Hooked. We went through Arcade. I found 2 sounds that I like. These are the sounds. No, that ain't it. It's that one. It's like, it's this one and this one. So we're gonna try and blend that in with the beat right now. All right, spacebar and record.
What do you think about
808s. Right?
808?
808s. We're going 808s next. Come on.
Alright.
Yo, what's crazy is I get to make a beat with super producers. This isn't something that everyone gets to do. This is actually history.
For the price of
$59.95. For threes, you pay me to $39.95. You can also enjoy the comforts of me in town.
You can do this too.
Free shipping and handling. Under $17, not available without.
How do you like that noise?
Draw 4.
Is this right?
No. Uno.
This is a good 808.
Should I drag it in?
Nope, you play this one. Yeah.
He got that Philly bounce.
Yeah.
Record it.
Okay. Nope, that ain't it.
You already
That was
got
it?
Yep, you got it right here. Right.
I guess I need a beat maker name.
What's wrong?
You had that one in the holster.
I feel like you did.
So next is kicks. So we're gonna go into Splice. I'm gonna type in kicks. This?
We got 15 minutes left, Wes.
Okay. What about that?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay. Okay.
Nope, bro.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Take a second, think, but you only really got a second, so.
I don't really got that much time.
I'm trying my best here. Right now.
You could use that.
We want that to come in later.
Yeah. I don't know, that sounds like a heater to me. I ain't gonna lie.
Bring in the baby.
The baby, if you need a beat, bro, I got you, man. What's Wrong Beats with TV Hits and Mr. Franks. Like, I made this with you in mind. You know, I was like, I wanted a trap beat. I wanted something that's in the G minor range.
Do you remember what I did at the end?
Yes. The two parts that we're missing at the end is mixing, number one. We're going to put that through Isotope.
Not yet, because we have to turn everything down. I like to just put an EQ on there. You can put a gain, whatever you want to, and just turn it down. All right. Now, if you're happy with this, you can accept it.
I think we're happy with this, guys.
I think we are.
Alright, guys. So, listen. That is Making a Beat, Champagne Therapy, TV Hits, Mr. Franks. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. How'd I do, guys?
You killed it, bro. It was a little
A1
iffy.
since day one.
It was a little iffy in the
A
beginning,
little iffy in the beginning, okay.
you know.
But I learned. I learned
Yes.
the layers. I learned how to mess with different programs. You guys can do it too. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next episode. Hey, you know what? Let me get into the booth real quick, guys. Turn up my snare.
So yeah, too far.
Yeah.
That's too far?
Too far.
You sure you don't want me to lay any tracks down?
It's okay.
Alright, well I'm just gonna hang outside here in case they want to record me.
Okay, we're gonna leave. We have another session to go.
Yeah, time is money, guys.
Yeah.
Time is totally money.
It was a good one though.
Lights
Killed
are
it.
going out. Okay. Alright. Hey, before you go though, I'm gonna record myself.
Need this.
Okay, I guess it's really over. See you guys on the next episode.